in this video, we are working through example 2 in section 6.1 on integration by parts. And example 2 tells us to evaluate the integral of the natural log of x dx. Now, to help us choose u and dv here, we are going to use ILATE, or remember LIATE works as well because the ordering of these first two letters doesn't matter. You will never see an inverse trig function and a logarithmic function together in the same integral, which means that you can just choose one of them first. So in this case, we do have a logarithmic function. So we have an L here. We don't really have anything else, although you can think of this as the natural log of x times 1, if you would like, and 1 is an algebraic function. So essentially we have a logarithmic function and an algebraic function. Well, ILATE or LIATE tells us then that we are going to make u be the logarithmic function, so that's the natural log of x, and then dv, I'll write it over here, dv is going to be this little algebraic function that we have, which is just a 1, and then of course our dx. So then we differentiate. Du is going to be 1 over x dx, and v is going to be, if you just integrate 1 dx, that gives us just x. So that means then that the integral of the natural log of x dx, remember, we are using the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of, v du. So we have u dv on the left-hand side here. This must equal u times v. So u is the natural log of x and v is x. So that's going to give us an x times the natural log of x minus v, which is x, du, the integral of x times 1 over x dx. Now, something important here, always simplify first. When you are using integration by parts, simplify this integral of v du before you try to evaluate it. So in this case, x times 1 over x will just give us a 1. So we have x times the natural log of x minus the integral of 1 dx, or just simply dx. And we know this is equal to x times the natural log of x minus the integral of dx is just x. Since it's an indefinite integral, we will need to remember to add c. So this means that our full and complete final answer is the integral of the natural log of x dx is equal to x times the natural log of x minus x plus c. And there is our answer for example 2.